No go so. I Fabi them a say in rate lazy.
Me say you me buff with you, Miss Blinga.
But you what? Even though the boy come try this, me have to pick up for me now. Cause I love this now. So could Dona never eat China chin something. I Pops YG.
So if I would Dona suck, cause you just say suck with Dona. So if I would
me just say that cause he say me a bit, so me a class. Him say me a bit, so me a class him as that.
Yeah, but Miss Blinga, me sing one song more you hear.
Play it.
You know see me talk to them past stage, Miss Blinga, you know hear about it?
No sir, drop it. Send me something them, you have to send me. Yo, YG, you have to send. Yeah, trending a dog, you have to send the news channel, the things them, you know.
Hold on, over stage show.
Me not see another stage show, me not see another stage show, show we.
Jesus Christ Almighty God. Me can't believe you don't see it. Oh, no, show Miss Blinga, hold on.
YG, Jayden send me request. You and Jayden talk?
That boy that stuck pussy, Miss Blinga. I don't like him.
Alright, so don't add him?
You can add him still, but me I got this him when I add him.
Alright, tell him to send back the request. Me don't know where he wants. Blouse on skirt, YG, are you that?
You not tell her, Miss Blinga, say, me go up a Sicily party, me show you.
Jaja God. Hey, me see you in our news telling you, brother. Me I tell you, YG, you have a buzz, you know.
Boy, Pops, go suck out your mother.
That's why me never want add you. That's why me never want add you.
Miss Blinga, watch out.
Hold on there, Jayden. Jayden, look how Pops have fuck up the party, Jayden.
So Miss Blinga, him not show every day when. Him not show every day when the man rush him.
No long time that. No man ain't rushing. Pops, deal with Jayden.
Yeah, then look for me here, bro. You believe that, bro?
Yo, Pops, me see the video.
Yeah, but look for me here, bro. Which recently me go pull up
Pops,
me here.
me see the video, youth.
You see video? Yeah. Y'all know you don't understand what me I try to set here, bro. Miss Blinga.
Miss Blinga, me say boss really running like two women, Miss Blinga.
We have bigger problem, Jayden. Pops are saying, oh, don't you eat China chin sick and nothing no go so.
Yeah, you me Miss Blinga?
Yes.
That boy Jayden go suck your mama.
Go suck your mother,
pussy better
Miss Blinga, I
No, me just tell him say nothing no go so.
That boy go suck out your mother. Don't know your pussy better.
Go suck your mother, party boy. I mean them thing the pussy. I mean them thing the
buckler. The whole on our part. It's up in our house.
I mean them thing the party boy. You can't
disturb them. Go suck on your mother.
You can't disturb that party boy.
Miss Blinga every day he say have markets and crown. Me don't know where him get them the wholesale clothes. He must slime sit down in a one set. He go suck your mother. Me no rate you.
Miss Blinga.
Miss Blinga, listen. Play a song. Play a song, man.
Jayden, me listen Pops YG new song now.
Miss Blinga, you can't name out Miss Blinga and Miss Blinga a big woman. Jump.
He no want me. He no want me, Pops. He no want me.
Miss Blinga. Watch a boy on you. See song, Miss Blinga.
Yeah.